Are clogged drains giving you a headache? You're in the right place. In this video, we are diving into the top 5 Auto Feed Drain Augers 2025 easy DIY plumbing solutions, perfect for tackling tough blockages without calling in a professional. Whether it's a backed up sink, slow shower drain, or a stubborn toilet clog, these powerful tools will help you clear it yourself with ease. Save money, skip the plumber, and take control of your home's plumbing today. The product links are in the description below, and now, let's get started with the video. Taking the #1 spot is the Populo Auto Feed Drain Auger, a powerful and user-friendly tool that brings professional plumbing capability right into your hands. This electric plumbing snake is designed for maximum versatility, capable of clearing blockages in kitchen sinks, shower drains, toilets, and bathtubs with ease. It can navigate pipes up to 23 feet long and accommodate diameters ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches, making it a perfect fit for most residential plumbing needs. What sets the Populo apart is its automated operation. Simply plug it in, press the power switch, and let the automatic feed mechanism handle the rest. Whether it's clearing hair clogs in the bathroom or tackling stubborn toilet blockages, the 560 revolutions per minute motor ensures quick and thorough cleaning every time. One of the standout benefits of this auger is its cost effectiveness. With plumber visits easily running into hundreds of dollars, owning this auger provides an affordable, long-term solution. In fact, it can pay for itself after just one use, saving you money from day one. The Populo auger also features an innovative replaceable cable system. Thanks to the segmented cable with screw connections at both ends, replacing worn cables is straightforward, extending the tool's lifespan and reliability. Portability is another key feature. It is compact, easy to carry, and ready to be used even in plumbing emergencies. If you have tried liquid cleaners, air guns, or handheld snakes before, you'll find the Populo Auto Feed Drain Auger to be the all-in-one tool that finally gets the job done efficiently.
Taking the second spot is the Vevor drain cleaning machine, a rugged and powerful solution designed to tackle even the most stubborn plumbing blockages with professional precision. This drain auger comes equipped with a full set of 4 interchangeable cutters: arrow, spade, C-cutter, and boring bulb, each designed to handle different clog types and pipe configurations. Whether you are dealing with kitchen sink backups, bathroom floor drain issues, or larger sewer lines, this machine is built to work across a wide range of applications. Its versatility makes it ideal for not only residential use, but also commercial environments, such as restaurants, factories, schools, and rental properties, where consistent drain maintenance is a must. At the core of the Vevor drain cleaning machine is a heavy-duty steel cable measuring 75 feet in length and 3/8 of an inch in diameter. It is engineered with a durable steel core that resists twisting, breakage, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. This robust cable is ideal for pipes ranging from 2 inches to 4 inches in diameter and easily navigates through bends and curves without tangling or knotting, resulting in a smooth, hassle-free operation. For convenience, it includes an automatic feed system that pushes and retracts the cable with minimal effort. Users can control the direction and operation using a 3-position knob and an air-activated foot switch, making it possible for one person to operate it efficiently.
Next on our list is the Workpro 20-volt electric drain auger, a cordless battery-powered solution designed to bring professional-level drain cleaning into the hands of any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. This drain auger combines powerful performance with a portable, easy-to-use design that is ideal for everyday clogs and plumbing maintenance. Operating at speeds of up to 560 revolutions per minute, it delivers fast and effective cleaning results on a wide range of household blockages. Whether you are dealing with slow drains in the bathroom, backed up sinks in the kitchen, or clogged bathtubs and toilets, the Workpro auger offers a reliable, hassle-free experience. What makes this auger especially efficient is its replaceable and highly flexible 25-foot cable. Designed to fit pipe diameters from 3/4 of an inch up to 2 inches, the cable features an olive-shaped head that can easily maneuver through tricky pipe configurations, including L, S, and U bends. This makes it especially useful in tight spots where traditional manual snakes fall short. The tool is powered by a 20-volt, 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that provides consistent performance and long runtime. Better still, it comes with a fast charger that can fully recharge the battery in just 1 hour, minimizing downtime and ensuring that the auger is ready to go when you need it most. User-friendly features further elevate this drain cleaner. The forward and reverse lever allows for easy control of the cable's direction, while a variable speed trigger helps you adjust the power to suit different types of blockages.
At number 4, the Skil Power Snake Drain Cleaner Kit stands out as a highly efficient and cordless solution designed for clearing tough household clogs with minimal effort. Built on Skil's trusted PWR Core 20 lithium battery platform, this drain cleaner delivers the power and convenience needed for routine plumbing maintenance without the hassle of cords. The kit includes a 20-volt 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and a 30-watt fast charger, making it ready for action right out of the box. Whether you are dealing with clogged bathroom sinks, slow shower drains, or kitchen pipe blockages, the Skil Drain Cleaner tackles pipe diameters from 3/4 of an inch up to 2 inches, ensuring reliable performance across various residential needs. This tool is engineered for both efficiency and user comfort. It features an auto feed and retract system that simplifies the cleaning process. Just engage the clutch to extend or retract the 25-foot carbon steel cable. This 1/4-inch thick cable offers a strong, flexible reach and long-lasting durability, especially when working through tight pipe bends and drain traps. The Skil Power Snake also includes a variable speed trigger that puts you in full control, allowing you to adjust the speed according to the blockage type and location. This is especially useful when transitioning between different drain types or working through challenging obstructions. Designed with ergonomic considerations in mind, the Skil Cleaner comes with a sturdy foot base that provides added stability during use, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing control.
Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Pioneerworks 100 Feet Drain Cleaner Machine, a heavy-duty plumbing solution designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. This machine offers an impressive 100-foot anti-twist wire core cable made from heat-treated MN65 steel, allowing it to pass through complex pipe systems with multiple 90-degree bends. It can handle pipe diameters ranging from 1 inch to 4 inches, making it ideal for everything from bathroom sinks and kitchen drains to outdoor plumbing lines. Its cable is fully enclosed within the drum to prevent overextension and tangling, offering both safety and operational efficiency. The Pioneerworks cleaner features an efficient auto feed system that includes a flexible, air-activated foot switch, allowing hands-free control during demanding jobs. The rocker switch lets you easily change cable rotation direction, and for added versatility, the machine supports both right and left-handed operation with its dual-switch design. A built-in ground fault circuit interrupter ensures electrical safety for users, especially in wet working conditions. This machine is a cost-effective option that can pay for itself after just a few uses, eliminating the need for repeated professional service calls. Built for mobility, it features rugged 8-inch wheels that glide over bumps and stairs, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use.